appreciate the recent comments we got on our recent video regarding the NRS portal. As you can see it here, it said this is a first video I'm seeing that is talking about the change of sites and everything. Thank you very much. Thank you. We really appreciate. Thank you to all our new and existing subscribers. We really appreciate your your viewership and your membership and everything and your support. Thank you very much. So today's video is today live. Oh, I wanted to say video. I'm used to my intro, right? Yes, hi, welcome. So today's live class is very simple, like actually very simple, and it's going to be short. So we are going to go through the NRS portal. We'll go through it together. We'll also show you how you can generate your thank you, Debbie. I really appreciate. Thank you. I'm grateful to all my subscribers. They have made this journey, they have made it so simple and so inspiring for me. Without them out, I actually won't be here today, right? I won't be here today because I won't even think of doing a live class, right? Yes, so that's it. So it's going to be very short. We are going to go through the NRS portal together, though we'll still do like a full video that you can a full video that will show you the practical sessions and the practical tabs of all of everything in the NRS portal. And I will tell you that there are some things that is still yet to be done. Like there are still some tabs that are still yet to be done. And like I said in the video that I did, if you click on FRS now or type FRS on the dashboard, sincerely, it's absolutely very it's kind of like very surprising. See, look at this place. If the first time I saw it, I was like, wow, this is a good improvement because the Federal Inland Revenue Service has transitioned to the Nigerian Revenue Service. As you can see, like this is to tell you that the change is here. Like the change is absolutely here. You cannot run away from it. The change is here already, so there's nothing you can do. You just have to adapt it. It's just like how everybody adapted to AI, and how everybody, like agents, for example, agents, how they adapted to the ACAI portal. If you're an AI agent, you agree with me that in fact the change came unexpected. Like though it was announced, but it came unexpected because we were not expecting that kind of like a sudden change, you understand. And it's kind of like very surprising for us. So just like this one, it's kind of like very surprising for us. So just like this NRS portal, I'm sure like a lot of people will also adapt to it, and it's kind of like very simple and user friendly. Like anybody can use it. Anybody can use it, though there are some restrictions. As expected, there are some restrictions to it, just as expected. So now I'll be clicking on the portal to show you some things that you're supposed to know. And the Federal Inland Revenue Service has transitioned to the Nigerian Revenue Service, so they are still making the announcement, like trying to let you guys know about the transition and the change and everything. So I just hope that a lot of Nigerians will be able to like make use of it and adapt to the change. So when you click on it, you click on the NRS and it brings the dashboard. This is the dashboard. I mean, I'm a UI UXer, like a product designer as well, so I can tell you that this is the Euro page, the Euro section. So this is the search button. So in case you are confused and you want to like just go to where you want to do things directly, you can just click on the search. You can just click on whatever thing you are looking for here. And again, if you are having issue with the video quality, please just go to your settings. Go to your settings, tap on the three icon, go to settings and click on quality. So you can just select the higher picture quality. All right, even though it will use more data, but at least you can see the thing. You can see the dashboard, you can see the website, so that you'll be able to see it clearer, right? So just click on the three dot button on the top right corner of your phone. You can also do it for any live chat or any classes, so in case you are not seeing it well. So yes, this is the dashboard. As you can see, let me put this on landscape. Okay. I saw it is locked too. but I hope you guys will be able to see it like this. So this is it, this is the dashboard, and this is everything. So you can just go directly here. For example, now if you tap value added, value added tax, so then you click on search, it will take you directly to the like different search results of value added tax. For example, this one is from their news, this one is from their news. As you can see, this is news, and this one is also from the page of the office of the tax ombud, and this one is from another tab, different tab. So it's a keyword, the keyword, this value added tax is a keyword, it's bringing it out from different sections of the website. So I would advise that if you want to do this, just go to their this home, this service and info, you will see value added tax here, or any keyword that you might be actually searching for, or any keyword that you might actually be searching for, such as the individual income tax, or the company income tax, or the withholding tax, or any other tax that you are searching for, you will be able to search for it. So that's that about the about the search button. So we'll be moving on to the rest of the card now. So we have here, we have the taxpayer card and the tax consultant card. The taxpayer card is for those that want to file and pay their taxes. Like if you want to do this, means that if you want to do this yourself, right, if you want to file tax yourself, or you want to pay for tax yourself, you can just get started from this card right here, right? So I think I'm missing some things. You would absolutely want me to start with you would absolutely want me to start with the different tabs that are here, right? So we have the home, this is the home section that we are in. Everything here is called the home section. So the services and info, we'll still get to all of these things later. So the services and info, we have the individual, we have the company, we have the petrol, we have the different taxes that we have right here. So, and one of the changes that is absolutely very intriguing is that if it were to be the old, okay, horizontally, oh, I'm using my phone for the this I'm using my phone for the live, and if I should if I should put it horizontally, like replace the camera, it will tell me that orientation is locked, rotate the device back. But let me know, can you see it like this? Let me know, Debbie, can you see the screen like this, and can you hear me like this? So I'll just continue this way. I'm sure you understand. uh, as you can see, you can. I absolutely tried putting it horizontally, but it's not working. So I don't think I can. Okay, I think it's full like this, right? It's blurry. Yes, I know it will be blurry. Just click on the three dot icon on your screen right now, your phone screen. Click on the three dot icon. Click on the three dot icon on your screen. You will see video quality there. You will see video quality. Click on that video quality. You will see quality. Click on that quality. Then you switch it to higher picture quality. It will change. It will be clearer, and it will not be blurry. So it might happen like that. So just click on the three top button of your screen, of your phone screen. Click on, then click on higher picture quality. So the blurriness is not from me. It's not from me. The blurriness is not from me or from my device. It's because of the quality that you are using. All right, so just click on the three top button, and you can do this for any live class that you are joining, or even any video that you are watching on YouTube. Just click on the settings. You will see quality, then you change it to higher picture quality, so that will be better, right? Yeah, so let's continue. So we'll still come back to these services and info. We'll still come back to data, the company income tax, the petroleum tax. We'll still come back to them later. And I was explaining how this new tax law, how it is more beneficial, because to be the old tax that we are using. Oh, I'm so sorry, please. I'm so don't worry, we'll still do like a full video, like I'll record a full video showing and I'll still say the same thing I'm saying here. You understand? So the main purpose of this live class is to show you how you can generate your team, and in case you have any questions. So it's practical. As I'm doing it, you also be doing it right there with you. So make sure if you have any question, like just ask me. I would answer. Though I'm still limited though, because we are all trying to navigate the portal together, right? So that's it. So for those that are just joining, about the blurriness, please try clicking on the three dot button on your screen, the three top button on your screen, then change the video quality to higher picture quality. So let's see if anyone will be able to get the change, right? So like I was saying, all of these taxes that are here, if it were to be the old tax, I mean the old tax reform, this thing, in fact, this page will not contain the whole different taxes that you'll be seeing here. But the tax reform has been changed, and it has made a lot of things easier. So these services and info, we'll still come back to it later. This is the resources tab. So this is where you check the NTAA, you check it and check the changes, the NRS establishment. As you can see, NRS Establishment Act 2025, the JTB Establishment Act 2025. I'm sure they made a mistake here, because you guys also know that it is now JRB. So the Nigeria Tax 2025, this is to tell you that the reform has been made, and it was made in 2025. That's just what they are trying to let you know here. And you can, all of these things are clickable, right? So we also have the tax calendar. Here. So you can use this one to check the track of your taxes, to check the track of your taxes. So we have the practical steps here. We have the company income tax within 6 months after the end of company's accounting year. Debbie, are you still with me, and can you hear me? And for those that are just joining, thank you very much. If you have any question, just let us know in the chat. So we have the company tax. This one is for company registration for limited liability. And this is to show you that within 6 months after the end of company's accounting year end. I'm sure you know what accounting year end means. So within 6 months after the accounting year, that is the grace, I mean the payment deadline when they are supposed to file their tax. And I'm sure that those that are here knows the difference between filing tax and paying tax. As you can see, pay in some cases. This is to tell you that, for example, we said that their threshold is 100 million, right? So for those that are not making up to 100 million, hey, my battery, hey, for those that are not making up to 100 million, they will not pay for tax, but they will file tax. Compulsorily, they must do what? They must file tax, right? So that's the difference between this filing and the payment, and also difference between filing and paying for tax. So we have the personal income tax. In fact, I will start watching this video, but I would advise that you check our full video later on our channel, because my battery is absolutely low right now. So sorry, I didn't prepare fully. So we have the personal income tax. This one is annual return due by, and I'm surprised they're putting annual return, the word annual return here, because this one is 48, but I don't know, due by 31st March for individuals and self-employed persons. So this is why that for 31st March of every year, individual or self-employed persons must file what? Their taxes, right? So we also have the value added tax. That's returns and payments due by the 21st day of the month. So this is to tell you that value added tax is what? Every month, right? Value added tax is remitted every month. We also have the withholding tax, the remitted by 21st day of every month. So by 21st day of every month, your client or you must have filed your VAT and your withholding tax. You also have the payee. This one is due by the 10th day of the following month. The 10th day of the following month. This is the pay as you earn. We also have petroleum, we have stamp duties, and a lot of things there, right? So the tax day, we have the next December 1st and the next December 6th for value added tax, and this one is next December 1st for tax events. So I'm still here to know if this calendar that we are seeing here, if it will be personalized or anything, like maybe after logging in it will be personalized, like I will be seeing my deadline by the, like this one is highlighting now, maybe or like this one is showing schedule or deadline, maybe I'll be seeing it if it is personalized. So I'm still here to know. So we also have help and update, so in case you want to check their facts, their contact us, or nearest tax office, like nearest tax office near you, you can check it through this office locator. You can check it on, also feedback and suggestions and their media updates, blah blah blah. So let's check the home back. Let's go back to the home. The one due by let me check this thing back home. Where is it? The one due by 31st December. That one is for value, what's it called, this company income tax. Yes, CIT, company income tax. So let's check. We are at the home page back. So this one is for taxpayer, if you want to pay your tax yourself, and this one is for tax consultant. So you can, this one is to tell you that you can file your tax yourself. But I checked through this page today, like I checked through this taxpayer page today, and I clicked on how to get started, click here. So at some point I got stuck after, even after creating new account, I inputted my details, my corporate details, I got stuck. So I don't know, maybe it's because of maybe the developer is still trying to work on it, but I'm very sure I inputted some details. I do not have any business name here, but if you can help me see any business number, just send it to the chat. Let's input it and use it to try it out. But before that, I want to make sure that I achieve the aim of this video, which is to explain to you guys how you can get your TIN number. So you will see that there are some services, there are some tabs that we explain in the services and info here that is still showing in this tab. So we have the tax here. This is still the same thing as the one up here. You also tax yourself online yourself, and this one is the tax consultant, which is the same thing as this one that you are seeing right here. We also have the tax ID. We'll be going to that place soon. We also have the e-invoicing. This is one of the best benefits, like one of the best benefits of the new tax reform and this new portal. This e-invoicing, I told my clients about it. This e-invoicing means that if you are generating and verifying and managing your e-invoicing for tax compliance, NRS, they will have a copy of it and they will use it to calculate your tax at the end of the month. You understand? So business owners and entrepreneurs, they can just go directly to this e-invoice and generate invoice for their customer or receipt for their customer of a service that have just been rendered or a product that have just been sold. You understand? So it's one of the best benefits, and I'm still here to get hold of this, right? And the tax calendar we showed you earlier, this is it. We also have guidelines and regulation. We also have tax reform, what has changed. In fact, I wished I would be able to click on this, like I'll be able to explain this to you. But first, I want to make sure we get the tax identification number. We get it done first. So this is their latest news and updates, the blog post and a lot of things, and this is the footer of the home section. So now let's show you guys how you can get your tax identification number. So you click on this tab here. I'm sorry, that's not where that's where we are going. You click on this tax ID here, and don't forget that this page, I know some people might be confusing it is that with verification, might be confusing this word verification. This means that you can also generate new tax ID here and also retrieve the one that has been done before. You understand? Because I've tried it and it worked. I tried generating new tax ID for individual and for corporates, and it absolutely worked. So don't confuse yourself. You can generate any NIN number, any TIN number with the NIN, and this is to tell you that it's only it is only NIN number that they are collecting. Oh, only NIN number. Like if you don't have your NIN number, go and sleep. That's just it. So this, don't be confused with this retriever that you are seeing here. This retrieval method, you can also generate new tax ID from this page, right? You can also generate new tax ID from this page. Wow, we are getting more participants. Oh, I wish I'll be able to make this longer, but thank you very much for joining us. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do, because we'll be dropping a full practical sessions of this NRS portal on our channel. So by tomorrow or the next day, we'll drop it so that you'll be able to navigate the portal or catch on some things that you'll be missing on tonight's live class. And if you are just joining, if the video quality is bad, just click on the 3 button on your screen, then you increase the quality to higher picture quality. So it's absolutely from your hand. So now, I don't think this is an NIN number. Let me try retrieving it. Okay, I will use mine. I will use my own NIN. I'll use my own NIN so that I won't have to review my client's details. So please let me try to get my own. All right, so now I will impute my own NIN details and my own details. What you just have to put here is the NIN. Make sure it. So we have 8175580735. So you tax ID and it will ask you some details such as the first name. Make sure you understand this first name and the last name very well. The first name means, my own first name is Miriam and the last name is Egbebi. So as you can see here, then you impute the date of birth. Make sure all these details are, or else it will not go, because I've tried it. It will not go. Make sure they are correct and as it is on your NIN, right? Make sure it is as it is on your NIN. So let's submit this, and you click on this tab. You see that after clicking on that is when it's absolutely show that we can submit, and this is it. This is my tax ID generated in just 2 seconds, like 2 seconds. Oh, so this one is for the individual, and you can do this yourself. Just go to the tax ID nrs.gov.ng, click on it, then you type maybe if you want to generate for individual or you want to generate for corporate. So if you want to generate for corporate, you go to corporate, you select the organization type, you can select business name, you can select company, you can select limited liability or incorporated trustee, anyone. So you can click on that, and so let's try for business name. I think we've generated some. Is it business name? We generated some. So you enter the ID number. The ID number means the CAC registration number, right? The CAC registration number. So let's see if we can retrieve the tax ID. And don't forget that you have to do this by consent. Like, make sure you are doing this by consent. Let it be known to you. Let it be known to you that you can't do this without the person consent, because I saw it somewhere on the website that if you are doing it for somebody, if you are doing for somebody else, make sure the person is giving you the consent to do it on behalf of the person. You understand? So the reason why it's bigger this one is because the number is not correct. So let me input some. I'm trying to look for a particular business name number. So if you have anyone, you can just give me in the chat box, but I'm trying to look for one here. Okay, I think I've seen. So let me input it. 909091068. So I've generated this certificate. One thing I also want to explain is that if you are doing, yes, I discovered that too. It's different from the one on the certificate. Just come to this place. You see this person, this business, I'm absolutely doing the TIN number, the tax ID number. I have done it before on the CAC portal, but when I tried the retriever here, it's bringing different tax ID, And I told my client that you don't have any other choice than to use this one. You understand? So this, the one you generated on CAC is different from the one on this portal, right? So but I don't know if the new NRS, if it has started working with the CAC portal. I mean, we can generate TIN number immediately after downloading certificate. So I don't know if it's now sync, like if it's now synced together, that it will now be the same thing. But the previous one that you've done, make sure you come and generate a new tax ID for your customer. So after getting an error like this, just click on reset. Or maybe you want to do multiple tax ID, just click on reset, it will go back. So you don't just have to stress yourself, right? So let me click on the business name again and type the ID number. Let me just click on this one that I'm seeing here. I'm sure it's a business name. So retrieve tax ID, and this one that is getting long like this, it's still loading, so it will bring out the tax ID very soon. So you can also do this same process for company registration and for other organization. What's wrong? Let me reset. Let me type another one. 909 1068. Hey, battery low. 909 1068. Okay, let's try the retrieval for this one. I'm sure this will go. If this did not go, then it's the portal issue. This one went well. So this is the tax ID for the business name registration, right? This is the tax ID for the business name registration. So same thing goes with company and incorporated trustee. Let me click on reset. I'm not used to this thing. In fact, even yesterday when I was generating different tax ID, I forgot, like I made mistake countless times. So I do not have access to any company registration number here, but I'm sure the process is still the same thing. Like just click on it, just type the number, it will go. These orders, I've not tried it though, because I don't have any ministry of department of this or non-resident entity. This non-resident entity is for those that are not living in Nigeria. I'm sure you know. So they can just enter their name. I don't know how I do not have I've not tried this before, because I do not have anybody that's that have their information that are not staying in Nigeria. But I'm sure this non-resident entities for those that are not staying in Nigeria and they want to get their own tax ID to file tax. So as you can see, we have the new logo, the JRB and the NRS. Very, it sounds very intriguing, right? I'm sure you love it. So guys, as you can see, I'm currently on the battery low. I'm so sorry, but we'll have a full practical session video uploaded on our channel. Just have to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you will get it, and you'll be able to see it. Because today we didn't even, I'm sure you agree with me that we didn't do much on the portal, like the whole NRS portal. We still have a lot to uncover here. I'm so sorry about the network error. So this is the tax regime, the tax reform tab that I wanted to show you. So there are a lot of things to uncover in this tab, and this tab absolutely shows you the difference between the previous tax and the new tax. I mean the tax, the old tax and the new tax. Now as you can see, this is the new look at this corporate income tax, right? Look at corporate income tax. We have 20% for medium companies, and we have 10% for large companies here. You guys can see the difference, right? So there are a lot of benefits to this tax reform, and it's absolutely so sad, kind of like sad, that those that will be benefiting from this tax reform are the ones that are not understanding the tax reform. Because people that are supposed to be afraid now are those that have large companies, those that have the larger companies. So let me know in the chat box, like, have you tried the new tax reform portal recently? So let me know, what are the challenges you are having, what do you want us to do video on, or what do you want us to discuss, so that you people will understand the tax reform. There are a lot. In fact, I would advise that after this live class, you guys should go through the portal. Just go through the portal, go through it, do a lot of things, and try. In fact, even if you don't have anything that you want to do, just try it, and let's hear your feedback. Let's hear from you. What are the things that you want us to do video on, or what do you want us to explain? So thank you very much for staying with us till now, and that will be all. I think we'll still hold another live session, and that will be better than this one, because I will try to make use of my webcam, and I'll also make use of my I'll also make use of my I'll also make use of my laptop to do the live class, so that we'll have a better quality. But thank you very much, Debbie. Let me turn the camera to the front of this thing, so that you can see my face and we can have a discussion. So in case you have any, I will just open that for 2 minutes. So in case you have anything that you want to ask me, I'm absolutely available right now. So let me know if you have any question, and any other person available here, just let me know if you have any question, right? So I'll be turning the live cast to the front session. So in case you have anything you want to ask us, just let me know. All right, thank you very much. And this is the face behind the digital network. I have absolutely team that are helping me. I have incredible team that are helping me with a lot of things. So Debbie and any other person available here, if you have any question regarding the tax portal and you want to ask us, just let me know now before we end the live class, right? So my laptop is already off, and I can answer any question you have now. So what are the questions you have? What is that topic that you want us to do video on? What is that topic you want us to do video on? Just let me know in the chat box. Yes, it will generate for you. Yes, for companies, for anything that is for the tax retrieval, or the tax retrieval, or you want to generate a new tax ID. You don't have to. It's not compulsory you put the RN or the BC, or the initials. It's not compulsory. But if you want to, I think if you want to file tax, or because there's a particular tab there that you can't do without imputing the BN or the housing. I think it's filing of the tax. But as you can see, I generated a tax ID for a business registration without using the BN, and it went. So yes, you can. It's not compulsory you had the housing or the BN. Is there any other question? Hmm. For corporates, the new tax is different from the one generated on the start. I'll still try the the tin number generation, because I've not downloaded any certificate after this NRS portal, after it came live yesterday. So I've not tried downloading any of my registration or CAC, because they are still all pending. So I'll try the tin generation. I don't know if it will still work. I'm not sure if it is still work, or if it is now working, right? So let me know if you have tried it, and maybe the team generation work. So then we'll be able to compare if it absolutely work, we'll be able to compare the team generated from that portal. We'll compare it with the one on the NRS portal, right? So that's it. In fact, there was this team number I generated before the NRS portal, on not even on CAC. I generated it from the FIRS portal. The FIRS portal. It's not the same thing that is showing here in the new NRS portal. So you need to inform your clients that they need to confirm the tax ID with them, because we have on the it has to comply with the one we have on the new NRS portal. And if not, they can generate a new one for themselves or their business. So that's it. Is there any other question, Debbie, before we call it a day? I absolutely want to appreciate everyone for for their viewership. Oh, I'm still doing it. Thank you very much to all my subscribers and to all our partners from Emmy Digital Support Group. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate, and thank you very much for keeping this going. I think we have to end the live class here, right? Yeah, we have to end it here. Thank you very much. Thank you.